Hey guys, this is Kapil Shrigiri, 4th year BMS student studying at BMC Shivamogga. In this video, to break all the monotonous features until now, I thought I should be featuring some of my friends to ask questions instead of writing down on the wallpaper. So I have made an idea to bring my friends to ask questions and I will be answering those questions. So if you have any kind of doubts, so let me know in the comment section. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you so much.
My name is Ashutosh Yadav and my question is people are getting affected even after the vaccine. Does that mean vaccine is not effective?
No, it does not mean that. And a medical term for such condition is called a breakthrough case. In such cases, what happens is when a person gets infected, there will be antibodies in the body. Those antibodies will take care of those. But the thing is, the person will have mild to moderate symptoms which can be cured at home itself. No need to go to hospital or there is no need of any ICU. Only that is the thing. In breakthrough cases, at least it takes 2 weeks for any kind of vaccination to build antibodies in the body. So the person should be safe for at least 2 weeks inside the home, and then if the person gets affected after 2 weeks, then it's fine. It can be taken care at home itself. No need of any other extra supplements like oxygen cylinders or ventilators or anything. It's safe. Don't worry.
My name is Sangeeta. I wanted to know girls can take vaccine during menstruation.
There is no such actual evidence or data that connects COVID with menstruation periods. So it's okay and it's safe to take vaccinations during menstruations also. So do not panic. Be safe with whatever information you have. Otherwise, ask your doctors and then go and vaccinate yourself. It's safe to take vaccination during menstruation.
Hi, myself Rakesh, and I want to know which vaccine is more efficient, whether Covaxin or Covishield.
Covaxin is a homegrown traditional vaccine, whereas that of Covishield is from Oxford University. To look at the efficacy rate can only be calculated if both the vaccines are under same number of trials. The Covishield has underwent all the 3 trials as mentioned by WHO in last year September itself, and it has efficacy rate about 70 to 90%, whereas that of Covaxin, it has underwent 3 phasal trials. But the thing about that is the results are not yet announced. So the results are not yet included under the efficacy rate yet. So until now it has efficacy rate of about 78 to 100%. So there is no need to differentiate or there is no need to relate both of the vaccines. It's just okay to take both the vaccines. It's safe to take both the vaccines. Instead of looking at which vaccine to take, just go and vaccinate yourself, whichever vaccine is available nearby you.
Hi, my name is Lakshmi Shrigiri. I just wanted to ask if a pregnant woman can take vaccine or not. This is my doubt. Please let me know.
Pfizer and Moderna have shown effectiveness even in case of pregnant women, but Indian vaccines have not conducted the trials to pregnant women, so it's not safe for them to take vaccinations right now. You can wait for Pfizer and Moderna, or else you can also wait for the trials to be conducted for pregnant women. Until then, pregnant women are not supposed to take vaccines from India.
Hi, this is Rohit. What are the side effects of vaccine, and are there any long-term side effects for vaccine?
The vaccines are shown some kind of side effects, but these can be cured with medicines that are prescribed by the same doctors. So don't need to panic. And to look at the long-term effects of these vaccines, there are no such data available as of now. So it's okay and it's safe to take vaccinations.
Hey, I'm Saraksha. Is the vaccine safe for diabetic and hypertensive patients?
People with comorbidities like diabetes or hypertensive are at more risk of infecting to COVID-19. So doctors have recommended for those people to take vaccination as soon as possible.
So, hello everyone. Myself Darshan, I'm 20 years old. My question to you is it okay to take multiple vaccines?
If anybody is planning or willing to do that, you should just know that you're not going to be Superman or you're not going to have extra immunity. It's just that you're wasting one vaccination. So see to it that you take only one vaccination with 2 doses. So do not waste other vaccinations. I suggest to not wait for foreign vaccines to come to India. Please go take our vaccines itself. Our vaccines are as effective as that of foreign vaccines. If you are really not believing in our Covaxin, Covishield, so please wait for your foreign vaccines, that is Pfizer, Sputnik 5 or Moderna or Johnson & Johnson. In such cases, you need to wait for at least 3 to 6 months of period so that the antibodies in your body can settle down, and then when new vaccine is administered to your body, then that vaccine will create another kind of antibodies. So please wait for a period of 3 to 6 months if you have been tested positive recently. According to experts, the vaccine is currently effective to all the known kind of variants, and also if a new variant comes, at least you will have antibodies in your body to fight against that variant. So go vaccinate. It's safe for any kind of variants or mutants.